Okay, so now they told us just to point, and they want us to come up with the horizontal and vertical equation of horizontal and vertical lines. So let's make a little graph here so I can help you get this right. So I've got the XY axis. I know X is -3/2 and Y is -2/7. So I'm gonna make a very big graph here. And I know that that point is right about, I don't know, a 1.5. I know that point is right about here. And that the coordinates of that point, X is -3/2 and Y is -2/7. And now if we look in the first question is asked for the horizontal line. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line through that graph. And I know that point is -3/2 and -2/7. And if this is a horizontal line, that point is also 0, -2/7. And if I go out here to 5, it'll be 5 and -2/7. And so what I'm hoping you remember is that horizontal lines, y is always the same. So because they gave me 1 point on the line, I know the rest of the points in that line have an equation, have a y equals -2/7. So that's the equation because it's a zero slope, right? So no rise, no run. So it'd be 0x minus 2/7. And that's what you're going to write here is just right. Now, I wouldn't write 0x. They might not like that. Math, not see how it's just right in the y equals. So do that. Now, for the vertical line to that point here, let me change ink here. Let's go to that blue. I guess we'll try that. So here's the vertical line, right? Oh, it's black. Oh, well. So here's the vertical line that goes to that point, and every point on that line this way has the same x value, right? So if that's, I don't know, let's make that 5. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to go up, and that point's going to be -3/2, 10. Just making up the y values. I know the x's are always the same, so vertical lines, x's are always the same. We would write x equals, because there's no slope there, right? It's a vertical line. So x equals -3/2. So vertical lines, use the x coordinate, horizontal lines, use the y coordinate. Okay, hopefully that helps.